Hello, it's me, Sheila, Sheila again. So, nakita mo, mayroon akong bagong dyan. Mayroon akong bagong, what they call it. May nakalagay dyan na parang motor. I got that from Gacha, I think. Actually, hindi ko taga-aware kung saan ko nakuha yan. So, wait a sec. So, accompany me to initiate a sea fishing event. And then I'm also going to catch some insects para, I'm going to catch some insects para ma-level up ang catch insect something ko. Oh, darn, I will throw it. Nasa harap ko na yung insect eh. Para makaapas dito sa hobby makaapas ang catch insects sa cooking, gardening, and fishing. Itong bird watching level up ka niya maganda, much of my priority. Hindi ko masyado interested, lalo na paspas tayo mo diba yung mga at nauna ang catching. So, din ako. Kaya, where I'm going, parang maling lokasyon pa to. I'm just gonna look for this guy. I'm gonna benta something. Kasi nakabili ako ng extra rev. Kasi hindi ko naman kailangan. I don't like to color that much. And pag hindi ko ang gagawa, hindi naman color or dye. So I pick the one that nasa time limited. Kasi today is my day 4th. Yes! Let me celebrate the day 4th. For me, sa day 7 naman, may mga kotse and stuff. So we're gonna sell. I'm not gonna sell this. This is my decoration. Sell this and this. Sell this and this and this. Yung mga fish, pwede siguro. Kung ano lang ko ng another fish. Insect, yung kailangan. Meron na ako doon malaking insect na, alam mo na. Ayan na. Yeah. Ito parang hindi ko naman kailangan. Binibenta na tayo. Ayan. Kung hindi. So, basically doing is that ito. Baka low-bat. So, na tayo, company with the sea fishing. At the same time, magulo ako shit happy. When I was, nung bago pa ako dito sa larong to, dami ko iniwasan ako, including pag-catch ng insect. Really like it. So, maybe you can see na parang iniiwasan yung bird watching. Right? Too far. Tapos, tayo ng ibon. Yep, market naman to. Pag-idol. Linya. So, that is our first bird. Tapos, pa ba? Pasensya dun sana. Nanonood kasi ng TV ang mama. So, yeah. As much as I can, I'm doing my best na manig ako ng boat tonight. So, yes, here it is. We're going to do, other than the side quest, whatever that is that we're doing, is we're going to do the sea fishing event. Dahil bininta ko rin yung mga isda. Oh my God. The price is no joke. So, bawit naman din yan. Kaya magbibenta naman tayo. Where is going on? New life vlog. Sana pera na lang yun. Ay, nako. Okay, now we are going to invite some people kasi maraming gusto nitong sea fishing event. So, likely madaming sali. So, I don't know. Ilan ka tao? Tuna. So, the first thing I'm gonna do is... So, my first thing kung gagawin is ko ni really sorry about that loud music. I sound while we're waiting for people. Yeah, I can see here my new views. Dahil nag-level 10, 11 na din level 11 na kasi ang members guild ko, kaya para na-upgrade yung mga naman. And if you see this, crystal sa mukha ko in this bag, I got it from Gacha, included yung motor ko. Oh my god, I still have 9. So, salamat. And yeah, ito pala, papalitan ko pala yung chair ng ganyan. So, I'll deal with that later. For now, we're waiting for people to come in and ano nila, we were going to settle with at least brief para dili awkward. Hi. We're greeting people now. And so we're all set now. Start. Okay, perfect. No. Enough time. Yeah, basically, we're going to catch some fish. Snowing in United States kasi ang inilibig weather in United States. January. I really don't know how the weather works. Maisip natin dapat sa December ang snow, ganun. And sa art of January in winter. So, when is this spring anyway? This is diba, sa video game, sa Harvest Moon, ang kanilang, ang kanilang spring is, wala naman silang January, February, wala lang spring. You can assume it kasi usually December na talaga ang Christmas. I really like so I'm collecting, I'm going to catch some fish for me to cook and to sell para mas marami. So I prefer sana na yung baso, but for now pinili ko baso maliit pa kay level 15 man yung para sa malaking baso.